Well, we couldn't have an episode of a podcast about loyalty in 2025 without touching on AI. Seems like everyone's talking about it every day. How do you see those advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and real-time analytics reshaping the loyalty landscape this year and for 2026?
It's already changed the game. As I mentioned before, we've had AI on the platform for 7 or 8 years. And so traditionally, agencies brought human beings who took months to spin through data and look and get diagnostic data about what's happening with consumer behavior, and then humans would strategically make recommendations. Technology is eliminating all of that. We have predictive models in our platform. We have a feature called Nudge, where Nudge actually is doing what humans of the past would do, and that was analyzing data, understanding what's happening behind the scenes, and making recommendations. So AI is also not only making recommendations on how to make the program work better, but it's also making recommendations around what is happening with your consumers today. Are consumers buying certain products versus others? Are some products more popular than others? Are consumers churning? Are consumers in certain regions shopping more than others? And it's getting to the root cause, and it is then making recommendations. And after recommendations are made, it is actually building the campaigns or the new loyalty rules for you. So today in the platform, we have an ability where it will say, hey, your customers are churning at an alarming rate. Press here, and we have a campaign that we can build immediately for you, and it can be put in market this week, tomorrow, later this afternoon, to address this issue. So AI is completely changing the game. And it's not just eliminating human things that humans did before, but it's doing the deep thinking around what is the data saying. So analytics I talk about four phases of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. AI has enabled all of that. Very quickly, AI can present to you your key KPIs. How's the program performing? What's working, what isn't? AI can compare it to benchmarks within your industry. AI can then say, let's get to some diagnosis of those things that aren't working or those things that are working. Let's then take that diagnosis and let us predict likely behaviors, and then let us prescribe some solutions for how to make the program work better.